Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to scan a document to your notes on the Notes Writer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then select the document that you have created or a note, and then click on the plus icon at the top of the screen in the left side, and then click on the scan a document option. Now you should position the document in view and take a picture of it. After that, tap on this white button down below, and here you should adjust the part that you want to scan into this frame. Then click on the keep scan button down below, and here tap on the button save, and then it will be adjusted to the next page. As you can see, it has been inserted. Then click on the done button at the top and you can save this document. So here you can check out your document that you have scanned in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.